as a first generation immigrant that want to live a new life and get a proper life, and then we move and immigrated to another country, we believe that it will be better for us to be able to live in an environment that will be able to support us fully and will be able to make sure that we will bring out our full potential. Before moving to my points list, before moving to my points panels, I will give you the definition regarding this motion. A first generation immigrant is an immigrant who is foreign born and then moving or immigrated to another country to become a permanent resident. And what is ethnic enclave? Ethnic enclave is a society who is predominantly dominated by one ethnic group. Before moving to my arguments, I will give you the context of this motion. First, about the characteristic of the immigrants. First panel, as we know, that immigrant mostly they go to another country to immigrate to find another opportunity and to get a proper life because in their home country there is not much of workplace and there is not much of opportunity. That is why for them it will be better for them to move to another country. And also an ethnic enclave, as you know, the characteristic of ethnic enclave is an ethnic enclave that live in a cultural phenomenon and in cultural identity that is so strong that they will be able to preserve not only their social structure but also their cultural identity, but also they have their own small economic system. And also, before moving to my arguments, me as the first speaker of the prime, me as the first speaker of the opening government, I will explain to you why is it better for us to live in an ethnic enclave from the adaptical perspective. And also, my second speaker, the deputy prime minister, will explain to you from the protection side and also the cultural preservation side of the arguments. Moving to my point, before moving to my points, I will give you the rebuttal of this motion. The opponent team will say that it is their rights to be able to live to be able not to live in the ethnic enclave. But we think that it is not entirely important, ladies and gentlemen. Because why? Because as you know, when they move to another country, they don't have the clear idea of the condition of the country itself. That is why it is better for them to live in the society or in an environment that have the same ethnic group with them, so that they have the clear understanding, they have the same perspective to how to see things. That is why we think it will be better for them to live in that area or in that environment. Moving to my arguments, why it is better for them to live in an ethnic enclave. As you know, the point of these immigrants when they move to another country is that they can get a proper life. That is why when they live in an ethnic enclave, it will be better for them to adapt in that ethnic enclave. Why it will be better for them and will be effective for them to adapt in that ethnic enclave? Why? Because they have the same structure of society. They have the same they have the same ethnic group. They have the same ethnic custom. Why it is matter? Because as you know, ladies and gentlemen, when they have the same ethnic perspective and they have the same ethnic structure and ethnic norm, they will be able to operate more efficiently. They will be able to interact with each other more effectively. Because this is the type of thing that make the society works. When you live in the society and then you cannot interact with each other more effectively and more openly, you will not be operated more effective because the society doesn't work doesn't you don't work with the system. That is why we think it will be better for you to live in the ethnic enclave so that you will have this clear understanding. And also, why it is matter? From the structural society that is different. As you know, when you move to the United States and you are a Mexican, you are a Mexican, or maybe you are a Venezuelan, and then you move to United States, they have different social structure. In the United States, which is Latin is the main minority, they have different kind of perspective towards the minority, and that is why when you live in the ethnic enclave, at least you have the same ethnic group. You live in the in the Latin ethnic enclave. Automatically, you will be safe. Why it will be safe in the in the Latin ethnic enclave? At least you are understand each other, and then you get each other, and you are from the same country. That is why it will be better for you to live in that area. And also, from the economical perspective, why it will be better? As you know, when you go to another country, automatically you will not have much of model. You will not have much money to start a new business. So when you go to the ethnic enclave, for an example, like in Chinatown, If you are Chinese and then you immigrated to the United States and then you go to the Chinatown, at least in the Chinatown you will be able to get a job. Because why it is that matter? Because in the Chinatown they have already have the economic system in that area. They already have the industry. Even though it's micro and mostly medium small enterprises, at least you will have the proper job in that area. That is why when you get to the ethnic enclave, you will not have the same difficulties when you get to the when you try to get direct access to the society itself. And also, one of the most important thing is that if you go to another country, for an example like the US or the UK, and you cannot speak English, this is one of the most big problem. When you cannot speak English and then you go to that kind of country where predominantly and mostly they are use English, then you are in trouble. But when you're in an ethnic enclave, at least you can be prepared. Why is that? Because most of the people in the ethnic enclave, they can speak more than maybe two or maybe three languages. So that is why they will help you. You will help each other, and they will be able to make sure that they will be able to make sure understand English, and then they will be able to live each other, and then they can understand. And then when you go to the open society, when you go to the society as a whole, at least you get you get the clear idea, and then you get to speak the language itself. That is why it is better for us to be able to live in an ethnic enclave. That is why we, as the opening government, for to live in an ethnic enclave is not only the way to be able to save our lives, but also it is the way to be able for us to be able to build a strong foundation for us and our children to be able to live a better life in the future. This is why we, as the me as the Prime Minister, we are proud to propose. Thank you.